Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and this is not doing well, and we've been talking about this for a while. This is really one that has been just having such a tough time getting past this 18,200 range. We saw this first initial break, and I explained that we'd see a failed attempt back to this 17,900 maybe, but 17,800. 800, and that's where we're going to start to see some resistance, and then very likely a move down towards 1700. So far, we're seeing this really break back and test the prior low here. I would really watch for any break of this lower range at the 17,500 here, but I do think if we see the break of the 17,500, we'll easily see a move to 17,200 to 17,000 quickly, and then maybe much deeper, and I do think very likely much deeper if we start to see this sliding. We really, as far as I'm concerned, unless we break over the 18,000 and really 200, I would be short this market, as I've been saying all along, that any rally should be short into and won't last very long, and that's what's been happening here. So I really, I'm starting to, panic. I don't try to say stuff like that, but I would really be concerned about the health of this market, because you have the issue that's going on with China, and the real big deal here is, this is, as I was saying yesterday when I had a long a long analysis, just mostly talking about how the spending has gotten way out of hand, and China, kind of looks at it as if they're oblivious to any of these kind of repercussions across the world, and that they're invincible economically, and that's not true. That that can always hit you very hard. If we get hit hard, they get hit hard, and they have vulnerabilities too, and you just can't run your market up and your market run, and you're never going to come back down, and so. You add that with the trouble with Greece and everywhere across the country and in the world, just spending money as if there is no repercussions, and there's no consideration for the potential there, and what for potential issues of overspending, and this is going to come back to get us, I think, and could be where we're starting to see it, because, as I said, for a long time we're in very overextended point in the market. I said if we're going to start to see this come in, this was it. I also said that I felt that this could be a major top, and I think we're probably close to that, if not there. I mean, this could be a one wave, this could be your second, and you could be seeing the three wave and the sub wave, 1, 2, and you could be starting to see the 3 that's starting to take place in that first move lower. So traders need to be careful here in this overall market for anything long. We're in Microsoft, and we're going to we have some real tight stops there that would take us out of that in Apple, and so that's how we're playing this, anything to the long side. But other than that, we're really flat this marketplace because of this, and we're probably going to be looking at some short situations.